Welcome back to Houston Life. If you've ever lived or even been around the Meyerland area like myself, you may have heard the sound of bagpipes.
Yeah, those sounds are probably coming from Saint Thomas Episcopal School, where there is a world-renowned Scottish arts program that has been around for more than 50 years. These students are gearing up for a very big event this weekend, and they are joining us now in studio. A few of them, let's welcome musicians William Fenner, Sanjay Phillip, Matthew Seitz, alongside Highland dancer Carrie Mott. Welcome to all four of you and all the rest of you. These are just several of 200 students in the program. So the program consists of a bagpipe band, drumline, and Scottish Highland singers. William, I want to start with you. So you're the pipe major, the lead pipe in the pipe band, and the World Championships. What was that like?
It was an amazing experience. I've been lucky enough to go twice. Me and Sanjay both went when we were going into freshman year. We went last year. We compete with bands numbering over 100 from all different parts of the world, some from Malaysia, some from, of course, Scotland, England, all parts of the world. And we got third in our division, so juvenile division.
It's awesome. So the best of the best are competing in this.
Yeah, not just them, the drum corps as well, Sanjay, the best drum corps in the world. Tell us a little bit about the drum corps and how many of you are there drumming to Scottish music?
So when we went, we had a drum corps of 13 people, 9 snares, 3 tenors, and 1 bass. And, you know, it was such an amazing feeling to get called up for best drum corps in the world. You know, we put so much hard work over the summer, daily practices in Scotland. And when we got called up, it was such an amazing feeling. I loved it.
I can only imagine. Carrie, you are 17 years old, an 11th grader, and you're the current U.S. Highland Dance champion. This is a very specific style. How did you learn it? Because I've been on your campus and I've seen the program. It truly is incredible. But did you grow up dancing?
Yeah, so I started dancing when I was 3 years old. I did ballet, and then I've gone to the school since I was 4, so I kind of got introduced to it by just like all my peers doing it, and then I started competing in 4th grade.
Wow, and clearly you know what you're doing because that trophy is sizable. Where do you keep that?
It's in my house, like kind of in our family area, so everyone can.
In a glass
Everyone
case.
can enjoy it.
Yes.
In a glass case with lasers and alarm. Don't touch it, people. If you go to Carrie's house, stay away from the trophy.
All right, and we get to enjoy your music here in a little bit, but first, you guys have a big concert coming up on March 24th out in Shirley. Matthew, tell us a little bit about the Sounds of Scotland.
Yes, absolutely. So it'll be, as we had mentioned before, over 200 of our students from the Scottish Arts program. And they range from grades 3, so the little ones, all the way up to 12th grade. And we have music from, you know, the classic Scottish bagpipes to hornpipes and jigs with the 5th grade, and we even have some Irish music, and then a few American classics like Deep in the Heart of Texas as well.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Deep in the Heart of Texas in a Scottish vibe. We love that. So all proceeds will benefit the Scottish Arts at STE. Friday, March 24th, Smart Financial Center in Sugar Land, 7:30 p.m. Tickets start at just $55. The website to visit is our website, HoustonLife.tv. And guys, by the way, when you were rehearsing earlier, our anchors in Studio A doing the news, they couldn't believe y'all were students. They thought we had a professional team here. So y'all, I'm sure we'll be seeing you on many stages around the world. And as these talented students get ready to perform, we do want to let you know that Sounds of Scotland is happening once again Friday, March 24th at Smart Financial Center in Sugar Land. Once again, to find tickets, you can visit our website, HoustonLife.tv.
And now let's see Carrie, Matt, and one of the Highland dancers of Saint Thomas Episcopal School do a Highland fling accompanied by student Akin Madden on the pipes. Take it away, guys.
All right. Thank you, Carrie and Aiken. Now it is time to hear the band. Here with a quick preview of their competition medley. Let's give it up for the Saint Thomas Episcopal School Pipe Band.
All right, take it away, guys. It's amazing.
All right. Thank you so much. Tickets are still available for Sounds of Scotland happening Friday night at the Smart Financial Center in Sugar Land.
And we've got a link to learn more on our website, HoustonLife.tv. We'll be right back with more.
That was really cool, guys.